What I'd like to do now is look at font size, but I don't want to select the entire document and specify an exact font size using the font size button on my Home tab in the ribbon. What I'd prefer to do is select all the text and shrink relatively all the text in this document. So I'm going to press the key combination Control A on my keyboard, and I'm going to use the Shrink Font button to shrink the font each time I click it. Each time I click this button, I'm relatively reducing the font size of my document. If I was to click this button, I'll relatively increase the text in my document. If I want to grow certain parts of my document, I'll select this title by clicking to the left, and I'll grow the font size visually. And I'll keep pressing it until it fits as large as it can without wrapping. And that's the font size 36. If I scroll down my document, I can select the next title, and I can grow the font size and shrink the font size. If I then want to shrink the entire document, again I'll press the key combination Control A and I'll shrink the font size, but it keeps the relative difference between the headings and the other paragraphs. There is a shortcut key combination for Grow Font, and this is the Control greater than. On most keyboards you'll have to hold the Control and the Shift and press the greater than. And Control Shift less than will shrink the font size, but keep the relative difference in the headings and the body of the text.